Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Discord app not working on your phone, right? So if your Discord is crashing or not opening again and again, then this video is 100% solution for you. So we will just go to the Play Store, and if you're using an iOS then just go to the App Store, and here of course you have to use this feature, which is basically delete this Discord, uninstall this Discord, and just try to reinstall it again. And if you find an option of update, then you can just update your Discord right now, right? This solution is given by in all the videos, but the next solution which I will show you will definitely fix your problem. So you have to just go to the settings of your phone, and once you go to the settings of your phone, just type apps, right? And you will go to this app section, and under app section you will find app management. In different phone this app management could be anywhere, but app management is available in all the phone, in all the operating systems. Here you have to find this Discord, right? Once you find this Discord, you have to go to the storage usage. Once you are into the storage usage, you will find this option of cache. Just clear, tap on it, clear cache, and once the cache clear, it will fix your problem. But if it doesn't, then the last solution will definitely. Here you will find this option of clear data, so just tap on it, clear data, and just click on OK. Once you click on OK, then this will definitely fix your problem forever. But by the way, once you clear your data, you have to re-log in into your Discord, right? So I hope you found this video very useful, and in this video solve your issue, then make sure to like it. See you guys in the next video. Take care.